Yes, Kavyani. Oh wow, we are playing the soft toys. Okay. Nice, Kavyani. You have a Tweety? Okay. Okay, so yesterday we learned about 3 R's, right? Reduce, reuse, and recycle. And then what did we do? We saw Pepper story. Okay. And what did we learn from Pepper story? Danvin?
3 dustbin.
Yes, 3 dustbins. What are the 3 dustbins?
Food dustbin, bottle dustbin, paper dustbin.
Fantastic. Yes, there were 3 dustbins for paper, bottles and cans, and food. Okay. Then we did addition sums, right? We did addition before the mind to the finger that we did, and then very important extended vowels. So yesterday, what letters we learn?
E.
Yeah, Tarshika.
E.
E or EA?
E.
Yeah, we learned EA and the sound is E. That's what we learned yesterday. Okay. And only a few have joined. We'll wait for a minute and then we'll start. Okay. Yes. Kavyani, do you know the Save the Earth rhyme, Kavyani? You joined a bit early today, so I want to ask you.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Save the earth. Save the earth. Global warming everywhere. Global warming everywhere. Plant the trees and water them. Plant the trees and water them. The clean earth. The green earth. Good morning, ma'am. Pick up all the letters.
Good morning, Rohita. Okay.
Pick
Kavyani.
up all the letters.
Hmm. To keep the earth clean.
Keep the earth clean.
Hmm. Then
Global plant the trees and water them. Plant the trees and water them.
keep
Keep the earth clean.
green.
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 Keep the earth green.
Green. Good.
Good morning, Radha ma'am.
Good. Good morning, Prajesh. Good morning, Neha. Good morning, Janavi. Good morning, Nukshita. Good morning, Nitila. Tell me, Vihan, you want to say something? But I can't understand what you just said.
I'll just say that, ma'am.
You want to say, okay, come on.
Say that, global warming everywhere. Oh, let's say that. Pick up all the litter to make the earth clean. Plant the trees and water them to make the earth green.
Very good. Very good, Vihan. Good. Okay, so we have many of them have joined now. So let's start Kidzi Anthem. Please sit straight. Today I am going to do Kidzi Anthem and you are all going to follow me. Okay? Ready?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Aiden. Good morning.
Ma'am?
Yeah, Dhruv, you want to do?
Yeah.
Okay, but slowly. Okay? Come on.
Position, take position.
You are the me. You are the sky. You are direct. My potential inside. Today I pledge.
You are the wind.
I select you. My potential inside.
You are the wind.
You are the wind. You take it to my
When
life. My life.
you define.
Me. My potential inside.
Today
Today I pledge my all my might. I select you. My potential inside.
good morning. Very good, Dhruv. Fantastic. Heart clap for Dhruv. Very good, Dhruv. Good.
You, ma'am.
Thank you, Dhruv. Thank you for helping me, Dhruv. Okay. Janavi, sit properly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Dikshan. We'll start the warm up. Ready, everyone? Okay, let me call Nitila. Can you count reverse counting from 20, Nitila? 20,
20,
19,
20, 40,
90.
90, 80, 70, 60, 40, 13,
12.
12,
11.
11,
10.
10, 9,
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
9, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thank you, Nitila. And good morning, Naiti. Come on, let's start the warm up. Very good. Yes, Rohita. Okay, Rohita. So, shall we start with attendance? Aiden?
Here, roly poly, up.
Okay. Devarakshita, Devrish, Danvin.
Hey, Brian, ma'am. Have a good day, friends.
Thank you, Danvin. Good. Dikshan,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Dhruv.
Excuse me, ma'am. Have a good day, friends.
Okay, yeah, Zedi.
I am go watch soon.
Yes, you may go. Children, if you want to drink water, if you're feeling thirsty, you want to go to the stream, you can definitely go. Okay, don't wait for me. Yeah, go, Zedi. Come on. I'll mark you present. Parnas.
Welcome today.
Okay, Parnas is absent today. Harshini.
Here I am rolly bully up. Here I am rolly bully down.
Have a
Have a good day, friends.
good Harshini.
Then
It's okay.
clap for ma'am.
Clap for all of us today. Okay? Iron. Janavi.
Here I am, Radha ma'am. Have a good day, sir.
Yes, Janavi, I'm able to hear you and see you very clearly today. Looking beautiful, Janavi. Kartikeyan.
Thank you.
Kaviyarini.
Here I am, ma'am. Have a good day, friends.
Good, Kaviyarini. Naitik.
Here I am.
Okay. Neha.
Here I am. Have a good day, friends.
Nitila.
Here I am, ma'am. Have a good day, friends.
Good. Nukshita.
You like this? Yes. Rubber apple.
Okay. Prajesh.
Here I am. Hooray!
Good. Pranita. Rohita.
Here I am. Have a good day, friends.
Okay, Rohita. Pranita. Good morning, Pranita. Good morning, Vishal.
Rengu chapla.
Satvika.
Good morning, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, Radha ma'am.
Good morning, Pranita. Sailesh.
How are you?
I'm good, Pranita. How about you?
I'm good, ma'am.
Okay. Siddharth. Dharnika.
Here I am. Have a good day, friends.
Good. Vihan.
Here I am. Yo-yo.
Okay. And Vihan, from yesterday we have started to say, here I am and have a good day, friends. Okay.
Here I am. Have a good day, friends.
Ma'am, hi. Ma'am, here I am. Have a good day, friends.
Very good. Vishal.
That's sorry. Here I am, ma'am. Happy good day. Have a good day, friends.
Okay. You can say have a good day, friends, or happy day, anything. Okay. Vihan. Zedi, I think she has gone to sleep. And can I request Aiden and Pranita to put your mics on mute? Thank you, Pranita. Fantastic. Thank you, Aiden. So we'll start with the rhyme. We are going to sing all the rhymes, okay, from today. I like my pencil. And then buzz, buzz, honeybee. Come on, everybody. And then save the earth. Okay. Let's start, everybody. Please sit straight. No lying down, children. Okay. I like my pencil. I like my pencil. But it's blunt. But it's blunt. Sharpen with the sharpener. Sharpen with the sharpener. Now it's sharp. Now it's not blunt. Buzz, buzz, oh honeybee. When you collect sweet honey, one flower to another. Buzz, buzz, oh honey bee. Buzz, buzz, oh honey bee. The honey is so very sweet. Take it to the big hive. Then do your little jive. Okay, next. Come on, everybody. Say the even numbers that we know. Rohita, please open your mouth. That we know. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We want the even numbers that we know. Come on, everybody. Say the odd numbers that we know. That we know. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The odd numbers that we know. One more time, okay? Aiden, can you please unmute Aiden? Aiden Michael, please unmute. I can't hear you. Okay, I think does that help you? Vishank, please unmute Vishank. Come on, everybody.
Come on, everybody.
Say the even numbers
Say the even numbers
that we know.
that we know.
That we know.
2, 4. That we know. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
You want me to repeat? Okay. 2,
4, 6, 8, 10.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
The even numbers that we know. Okay, you sing, I'll repeat. Okay, come on, everybody.
Come on, everybody.
Come on, everybody.
Say the odd numbers
Say the odd numbers
that we know.
that we know.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
1, 3, 5,
The
7,
odd
9.
numbers we know. The odd
The odd numbers that we know. Thank you, Vishant. Very good. A big rocket clap for Vishant. Good. Fantastic, Vishant. Okay. So now everybody together we're going to say, save the earth. Okay? Save the earth. Save the earth. Global warmings everywhere. Global warmings everywhere. Oh, let's save the earth. Pick up all the litters to keep the earth clean. Plant the trees and water them to make the earth green. Save the earth. Save the earth. Global warmings everywhere. Global warmings everywhere. Oh, let's save the earth. Pick up all the litters to keep the earth clean. Plant the trees and water them. Okay, I think plant the trees and water them to make the earth green. Good, I think. Thank you for showing that. Okay. So we started with recycling yesterday. We learned Pepper story. So Pepper learned what are the things we can recycle. We can recycle paper. We can recycle plastic bottles. Okay, and then we cannot recycle few things. That we are going to see today. Okay. Before that, I want all of you to count numbers 1 to 100. Ready? Okay. Let me see if I have your name cards. Before that, shall we do the skip counting of 10 first, everyone together? Satvika, can you start, Satvika, skip counting of 10?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, 10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Nukshita, skip counting of 10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Good, Nukshita. Okay. So now we are going to do skip counting of 5, all of us together. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Neha, can you do skip counting of 5, Neha?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100.
Wow, fantastic! Very good, Neha. Okay, I have found our name cards today. So remember, we played the game. Like, I will start counting from 1 to 10 and I'll show the name card. Whose name I'm showing, they have to start counting. If you are not counting in 5 counts, then I'll move the chance to the next person. So you want to listen carefully what your friends are saying, what numbers your friends are saying. Is that clear? Do you all remember that? How many of you remember that? Raise your hand. I remember, so I'm raising my hand. Okay. For those who don't know, I repeat, when we play the game, you will understand. Okay, first let me start with
3,
1.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chance is over for Rohita.
Anita.
Rohita,
I don't understand.
Rohita, I showed them your name card. You didn't listen here. You were talking there. So you didn't count from 11 to 20. So I'm moving the chance to Pranita. You'll get the chance at the end. Okay, come on, Pranita.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
No problem, no problem.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Good. One, two,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
good. Sorry. One, two, three, 4, 5. Whose name is this? Whose name is this?
Aiden.
Okay.
Aiden.
Yes.
31, 33.
Nobody should help there. Very bad. Okay, please don't get help from your parents. You should listen to the class and you should continue. Okay, come on, Dikshan.
32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 30, 40,
What is 40?
40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
Good, Satvika.
61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 60,
69 after 6?
70,
70.
70, 70.
70.
Okay.
72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 79,
77.
77.
77, 78, 79, 10,
80.
80, 8, 8,
0.
80, 8,
80, 18.
80, 80. Yes, ma'am.
Did you listen?
नेतिला कहाँ चल गई?
No, then you have to wait for your chance. Nitila left at 80. Continue.
81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89.
After 8 ke baad
90.
How do you write 90?
9, 0, 90.
Good.
91. No. 91.
91.
92?
92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Very good. How do you write 100, Vihan?
100 ఎలా రాస్తారు సార్? అక్కడ నోట్ చెప్పు 1
Tell me.
2,
1
1, 1,
Write
0,
and show me.
1, 0, 100.
1 0 0
1, 0, 0, 100.
ఎలా
Okay.
రాస్తారు చూడు మ్యామ్.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Count. Start from 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
Continue. 10 after.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Good. You are going to listen everyone. What your friends are saying.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Very good. Neha. Very good.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Good.
50.
Good.
Thank you.
51, 52, 53, 54, 55,
good. 6060.
61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 17.
Good. 17 or 70?
70.
Ah.
71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80.
Okay. Is there anybody else who has not got the chance?
Rohita ma'am. She missed
Yeah.
out.
Yeah. Okay.
Rohita, చెప్పు.
Identity.
Yeah, Aiden. I was calling you. What did you do?
84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90.
Good, Rohita. Good. Aiden, I was showing your name, but you didn't listen. You didn't find your name. Whose name is this? Aiden.
Ma'am,
I'm here.
Count from 81.
81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 89, 82, 83, 84,
89. After 89. After 8.
8,
After 8.
after 8, 88, 8,
8 ന് ശേഷം
After
after 90,
9. So 90. Good. Okay, thank you. Now we are everybody together. We are going to go on from 90 to 100. Okay. What, Janavi?
Hasni,
Ashni got chance. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay. And last, before we finish, we count from reverse counting from 20. Okay. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So yesterday we discussed yesterday in extended vowel sound we learned about EA. So sound of EA is E, as in leaf, as in anybody any word? Eat,
Bead.
leaf, weed, leaf, beet, wheat, leaf, everything will have EA and the sound is E. Okay. Today we are going to learn about heat. Everything will have EA. So we'll just recall vowels are, there are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowels. Okay. And you remember we sang a song yesterday for IE. Sorry, AI. We'll sing it one more time. Ready, everyone? Okay. A in paint and mail. A in train and snail. A in paint and mail. A in train and snail. A A in nail and pail. A. Say again and again. So all these words will have AI. In your rhymes book, you have a rhyme naming extended vowel. Okay, in that we have this rhyme, AI. Okay, if you want to read, you can read at home too. Okay, so the sound of AI is A. Sound of AY is A. And today we are going to learn the sound of two letters, same letters. Let me write to show you. So we know sound of EA is E. Likewise, sound of EE. When you have two E, it is an extended vowel. We have two vowels here. What are the two vowels here? Rohita, what are the vowels here, Rohita?
E.
Rohita, what are the vowels here? Zedi, what are the vowels here?
E.
Yeah, we have EE. The same letter E is twice written here. The vowel is E here. Okay, we have E written twice. So when you have two E's together, the sound is E. It becomes long vowel sound. E will have long vowel sound. When you have E and A also, the sound becomes long vowel sound E. When you have two E's together, the sound becomes E of the sound of E is long vowel sound E. As in sheep, as in fleet, as in reef, everything will have E.
Three.
Tree, yes, tree, beef, sheep, all those will have E.
Coffee.
C. We have one more C. You know, there are two C. Yes?
Teeth, man. Teeth.
Teeth. Very good. Yes, Zedi. Teeth. Good. Rajesh, what do you want to say?
Coffee.
Coffee. Yes, coffee. Good. So when you have SEA,
Me. Free.
free. Good.
Me.
What?
Knee.
Knee. Yes, knee. The parts of the body, knee. Yes. So when you have two
Teeth, ma'am.
teeth, yes. Thank you, ma'am. Shall I continue now? So when you have E and A, the sound is E because E has long vowel sound. Likewise, when you have two E's together, E will have long vowel sound. So the sound of two E's together is E. So we have two C's here. S-E-A, S-E-E. Are you all listening? Rohita, you're not listening, Rohita. Nitila. When you have like this, S-E-A. So here also the sound is E. S-E-E. Here also the sound is E. So this C is the beach. Big beach is called sea. The water body bigger than the beach is called sea. And this C, S-E-E is seeing. I am seeing you. You are seeing me. That is S-E-E. Okay? S-E-E is sea. Okay? S-E-A is a big beach. That is S-E-A. Okay? So E-A and E-E both will have the long E sound E. Okay? So we're going to do the worksheet quickly. Please take SR D103 PH worksheet, children. Please take. I repeat one more time. I want all of you to listen and take out the worksheet. I want all of you to start at a time, not later. Okay, come on, please take a day 103 PH worksheet. We are going to start it together and finish it together. Come on. Day 10. Yeah, that means Kidsy, of course. Yes, Kidsy. Kidsy has two E, so E sound. So please take day 103 PH worksheet.
Excuse me, ma'am. Today date is 2.
2. Thank you, Ashni.
Thursday. Today date is Thursday.
Today, day is Thursday. Date is 2. Day is Thursday. Thursday. Thank you, Ashley. Okay, as everybody found out the sheet, is anybody there who hasn't found out? Know me, please know me upfront. Once I start the worksheet, please don't ask me what is the worksheet. Is everybody there in your place? Have you all found out the sheet? Day 103 PH. Dikshan, Pranita, Aiden. Good, Pranita. Thank you. Zedi, Dhruv, everybody. Please write your name. Come on. Please write your name in cursive.
எழுதுமா வரட்டும் முதல்ல வரட்டும்.
And please write today's date 2.12.21. We are in the month of December. December. 2.12.21. 2.12.21. Can you all please stay on mute? Pranita, put your mics on mute, dear. Two dot 12.21. 2.12.21. Done. Okay, so we are going to learn EE words. Okay, the sound of E is E. Sheep, tree, bee, knee, queen, E, queen, jeep, three, and teeth. Okay, so now we are going to write the EE words. Okay, the first one, what is the first one, Dikshan? What is the first animal? This one.
Sheep.
Sheep. So we are going to write the spelling for sheep. What is the sound of sh? Sorry. SH. Very good. So we know SH sounds as sh. So come on, shall we write sheep? SH. Sh. E. So we are going to write two E's together. E. E. And then P. Sheep.
Sheep.
So we know the sound of SH is sh. Today we are learning the sound of EE as E. Sh. E. P. Sh. E. P. Sheep. SHEEP. Are you all writing with me? Yes. Dhanvin, what is the next one, Dhanvin?
Tree.
Tree. The sheep is under the tree. So try the spelling for tree, Dhanvin. Tree.
Turn and letter.
T.
T. R.
No, in a letter.
R. E.
E.
E. E.
E. E.
Tree. Good.
T-R-E-E.
Yeah.
T. R. E. Tree. T. R. E. Tree. Dhruv, what is this, Dhruv?
This is honeybee.
Honeybee. Okay, we are going to write only B spelling. Okay. So what is a sound of, sorry, B? What is the letter for B sound?
B.
B. Okay, so B. Then E. So what we should write when you have E sound?
E.
E. E. We are going to write E. E. Aiden, can you touch your knee and show me, Aiden? Where is your knee? That is teeth, knee. This one. Ah, that's knee. Yes, come on, sit down. So, can anybody tell me when you have sound, knee sound, what is the letter we learned? Yes, K-N. You remember we learned K-N sound. K-N sounds as ni, n. Last week we learned, right? K-N sounds as n sound, like ni. I know, no, n, no. So K-N. All those have n sound. So we are going to write ni now. K-N-E-E, ni. K N E E. Ashni, who is this Ashni?
Queen, ma'am.
Queen. Try the spelling for queen.
Q
Mm.
U
Very good. Q
Q U
E.
Q E.
How many E's?
2 E's.
N.
N.
Queen. All many one clue children. Whenever you have Q, no, most of the time after Q you will have U. Okay, most of the, not every time, but most of the time when you write Q, like question, queen, quest, all those you will have Q and then you will have U. Okay, so Q U E E N. Qua U E. So it's queen. Q U E E N. Queen. I write it here. If it's not clear for you, you can copy this. Queen. 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 Next one, Janavi. What is this, Janavi? The next picture after queen. Janavi is there.
Jeep.
Jeep. So what is starting letter for Jeep? J. J.
J E
Mm.
E P.
Very good. Pa sound. Very good. J E E P. Jeep. J E P. Jeep. J E P. Jeep. Next, Kavyani. What is this number, Kavyani? Next one.
2 3.
3. What is spelling for 3?
THREE 3.
Yeah, three, th, r, e. So you're going to write 2 is 3, three. Nice. What is the white color inside the mouth? What are these, Naitik?
Teeth.
Teeth. Can you try the spelling for teeth? What is starting letter for teeth?
T.
T. Okay, T. How many E's?
2 E.
2 E. T E E T. T.
H. T.
H.
TH. TH. Eat. Eat. T. E to E. TH. So start practicing words like this, children. Instead of copying, try to make spellings for the words with the sounds. Okay? We know th sound, we know sh sound, ch sound. Now we have learned E sounds also. So please practice words like this. Don't just by heart these words. These are phonics. You can try it. Have you all finished? Vishal finished? Okay, Tanika finished. Good. Tanvin finished. Okay. Okay, would anybody like to try spelling for reel? Reel.
L.
Yes. Eel. Eel. Okay. Anybody likes to try spelling for seal? Yesterday, the word we learned yesterday. Yes, Tarnika.
S E A L. Seal.
Okay. Good. Anybody like to try the spelling for leaf? Leaf. Please raise your hand. I'll call you. Yes, Vihan. Leaf.
L-E-A-F. Leaf.
Very good. L-E-A-F. Leaf.
Thank you, ma'am. Welcome.
Okay. Anybody like to try spelling for feet? Feet. Yes, Neha. Feet. Even if it's wrong, no problem. Give a try. Feet.
Yeah.
Feet.
அங்க இல்ல
E sound வந்தா என்ன வரும்? E.
E.
F
F E. Ma'am.
What did we learn today? When you have two.
Three. T. T. ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞില്ല ലിപ്സും കൂടി ഉണ്ട്.
What, Aiden?
A-T. Lips. Lips. A-T. A-T. Lips. Spelling.
You want to tell the leaf spelling? Tell. Tell me. You don't have to write.
leaves spelling
L. L. E. I. I.
Aiden, we are learning.
P.
You're saying the spelling for leaf?
No. Lips.
Leaves. Okay.
LIPS
Ma'am. L-I-P-S.
You're saying the spelling for lips? Okay. L-I-P-S. Okay. Yeah, Neha. Feet. So E sounds, so you're going to write E-E. Okay?
E. 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 E.
Okay. So have you all finished this worksheet? Yes, done everyone? Okay. Is anybody still writing? Let me know. Okay, I'm going to play a song. You're going to listen to the music and you're going to tell me what it is. Okay, what song is it? After that, we'll do a worksheet. We'll do a small transition. Okay. Ready, everyone? Are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Yes. Yes, very good. Everyone, fantastic. You found out. Okay, it's the wheels of the bus go right. Okay. So now, can we do the worksheet? Continue with the worksheet. Please take SRD 103 empty. Please take SRD 103 empty worksheet, children. Okay, it's pretty simple. Just finding out the currency and joining with the number. So, do you all remember the rupee symbol? Everybody? Do you all remember the rupee symbol? Anybody who don't remember? You're going to write in the heart like this. And there is sleeping line and then middle line. Those who are absent when we taught this. This is the rupee symbol. Okay, you're going to write in Hindi, you write R, right? You're going to write like that, a sleeping line, that's, and then a middle, you're going to write like this rupee symbol. This is rupee symbol, okay? So now we are going to find out the rupee symbol here, and then what is the number here? We are going to join it with that, okay? Are you all ready? Please write your name and date in the worksheet, children. Please write your name and date. Nitila. What is this, Nitila? When you have rupee symbol before that, you should not say 2. You should say 2 rupees. What you should say?
2 rupees.
And what is this, Nitila?
50.
So what you should say when you have a rupee symbol before that? What you should say? 50 rupees.
50 rupees.
Tell me what is this, Nitila?
10.
10
rupees.
Enna sonna Nitila? When you have rupee symbol before, you should say with rupees. Okay, and what is this, Nitila?
1 rupee.
1 rupee. Good, Nitila. Okay, please. Page number 103 empty. WS01.
Ma'am, Nukshita finished it.
Finished it? Good, Nukshita. Nukshita, what is this, Nukshita?
Finished, Raja, ma'am.
You finished? Okay.
What
What is this, Nukshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible, ma'am.
Not visible? Okay, give me a minute.
No.
Visible.
Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
It's 103.
No.
It's 103 empty worksheet. Please, others stay on mute except Nukshita. Please, Aiden, I'm sorry. Please put your mics on mute, Aiden. It's page number 103 empty worksheet. Yeah, Nukshita. Ma, if you have finished, please keep your worksheet down. What I've told you, Prajesh, if you have finished, show me thumbs up or else wait for your chance, okay? Yeah, Nukshita, tell me what is this number, Nukshita? 2020. And if you have rupee symbol before that, what you will say? 20 rupees.
20 rupees.
What is this, Nukshita?
100 rupees.
Very good. 100 rupees. Rajesh, what is this?
₹5.
5 rupees. Very good. Okay. Some of you have already finished this worksheet. Then quickly we'll finish it. We are going to find out the number and join it. Let me see who is finishing fast. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to start now. I'm going to join 2 rupees to 2 rupee coin, 50 rupees to 50 rupee note, 10 rupees to 10 rupee coin, 1 rupee to, where is 1 rupee coin? 1 rupee coin, 20 rupees to 20 rupee note, 100 rupees to 100 rupee note, and 5 rupees to 5 rupee coin. Finished? Okay. Anika finished? Good. Super fast. Hashni finished? Good. Good, Zedi. Good, Kavyayani. Pranita, sorry, Pranita finished. Vihan, Vishank, all these.
I finished.
Good. Very good. Excuse me. Okay, shall we move to the next one, children? Okay, yeah, Satvika finished. Good, Satvika. So tomorrow we are having sensory time activity. Okay, sound sensory time activity. So you can bring anything that makes sound. Okay, be it a bell or be it no, that makes sound. Okay, you can bring a tumbler and a spoon. If you have drum, you can bring drum or anything. That you can bring a notebook and a cardboard, and you can tap it and show me. Just that I want you to make sounds. Okay, is that clear with something you have at home? Is that clear for everyone? Yes, tomorrow it's going to be sound sensory time. You're going to bring anything that makes sounds. Okay, be it a toy, or you will have this wind chime on the rattle that kids use, anything. But you're going to make sound on your own, not with the mouth. Anything with the hand. Okay, or you can even tap and show me any sound, anything, but not using your mouth. You're going to make a sound and show me. Yes? Okay. Okay, please take this worksheet. SR D104 CT worksheet. SR D104 CT worksheet. Please write your name, children. In cursive. And write today's date 2.12.21. Two dot 12.21. Vishank, you finished the previous one, Vishank? Joining the currencies?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Are you ready with this 104 CT worksheet? Wrote your name and date?
Finished the queen sitting on the
Very good.
jeep. I didn't do that.
You didn't do that yet?
Yeah, ma'am.
You will.
Only one.
One is pending. Okay, come on, right.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Teeth is pending. Maybe. So in this worksheet, we are going to circle that things that can be recycled. Okay. All the things we put in the trash cannot be recycled and used again. Okay. There are few things which cannot be reused at all. Okay. So before getting on to the worksheet, I want to show you something and talk. Then we'll do the worksheet. Okay. So yesterday in Pepper's story, we saw Pepper was trying to recycle paper. Okay. And he was trying to use paper. What did he do? With the old newspaper, you can make paper bags. And the old newspaper can be recycled by taking it to factory, making it to small pieces, tearing the paper, and again making a new paper. So newspapers can be recycled. Okay, but the plastic cover which we carry, no, when you go to shop, they will give you plastic bag, no, plastic cover to carry things. That cannot be recycled. Okay, so we should avoid using plastic bags. The ones you carry, like I don't have it now. Tomorrow I'll show you. So plastic bags, we should not use plastic bag. Instead, what we should do? When we go to a shop, you're buying a chocolate, you're buying a biscuit, and you're buying a toy. How will you carry that to home? You're going to use paper bags, or you're going to use
Paper bag.
Yes, you're going to use paper bags, Neha, or you're going to use cloth bags. Cloth bags which can be washed and used again and again. So when you or your parents are going to take plastic bags to shop, what you should tell them? Plastic bags cannot be recycled. So we should carry, Rubik's will do it later, Neha. We should carry paper bags or we should carry cloth bags. We should not take plastic bags. So next time when you go to a shop to buy something, when somebody gives you plastic bag or you're going to take plastic bag, you should not use it. Instead, what you should do? You should take only paper bags or cloth bags. Is that clear for everyone? Why? Because plastic bags cannot be recycled. If you put it in the trash bin, they will go and dump it somewhere. The animals like cows, they will think that is food and they will eat the plastic bag. It will get stuck in the throat and they will feel sick. So we should not use plastic bags. Second, we should not throw it anywhere in the ground. Is that clear for everyone? I think some of you are not listening, busy doing the worksheet. Without knowing why should we do the worksheet, please keep your pens, everything down. I want all of you to listen to me. Who can tell me what I told right now? Who can help me? I'll help you. But who can tell me what did I teach right now? Dhanvin? Yes, Dhanvin. Tell me, Dhanvin.
Don't use plastic bags.
Very good, Dhanvin. Fantastic. I would love to give a big heart for you, Dhanvin. Good. Thank you for listening. Okay. And yeah, Hashni.
Don't put the all papers.
Okay. Don't put all papers. Okay. Anybody? Tarnika?
Dude, plastic bags will not be recycled.
Yes, very good. Fantastic point. Plastic bags cannot be recycled. Very good. Okay. So what we should use when we go to a shop? Yes, Naitik. Yes, good, Tarnika. Naitik, what should we do when we go to shop?
Shop ko mana jaya either bag
Cloth bag.
Kavyani, please wait for your chance. It's Naitik's chance.
Cloth bag.
Cloth bags or
Paper.
paper bags. Good. Should we use plastic bags?
No.
No. Okay. Yeah, Kavyani, tell me. What do you want to say?
Use cloth bag.
Very good. Use cloth bags. Good. Yes, we should use cloth bags. We should not use plastic bags. Yes, Zedi.
Paper bag.
Yes, we should use paper bags or cloth bags. We should not use plastic bags. So plastic bags cannot be recycled. The next one, yeah, Prajesh, tell me.
Could not understand, ma'am.
You cannot understand. Okay. You go to shop. Have you bought chocolates or something from any supermarket shop? What? How did you bring that home? எப்படி கொண்டு வருவது வீட்டுக்கு?
Pie.
What bag? Bag. What bag is it? Can you show me one bag from your house? Can you show me one bag from your house? Do you have a bag? Is okay. This bag will be very good. Is it a plastic bag? Plastic cover adu. Is it a plastic bag?
Illa.
No. Okay. Okay. What about this? What about this? Is it a plastic bag?
Yeah. No.
This is not. This is cloth bag. This is cloth. Okay. So when you go to shop, you are going to take cloth bag like this or paper bag. We should not take plastic bag. Plastic bag எடுத்துட்டு போனோம்னா that cannot be recycled. Okay. I'll show you the plastic bag tomorrow. Okay. Or else before end of the class, I'll bring it and show you. Okay. That's what I was telling. We should not use plastic bags because thank you for showing Prajesh. This is plastic bag. We should not use this plastic bag because yes, Tarnika, thank you. Yes, Vihan, thank you for showing everyone. Vihan, those are plastic bags. These plastic bags cannot be recycled. When you put it in the factory, in the machine, it will not recycle. Again, it will be plastic bag only. Vishank is showing me the cloth bag, jute bag. Yes, that's good. Correct, Vishant. So if you throw this plastic, it will not be recycled. If you throw it outside also, this will not go anywhere. It will stay there. Some animals will think it as a food and eat it. So we should not use plastic bags. Plastic bags cannot be recycled. And similarly, batteries. You have for your TV remotes, right? Remote and all the toys which you use. Even Tarnika was using a remote car. Those also has batteries. Those batteries cannot be recycled. Okay, we cannot recycle those batteries. So once you use it, you have to dispose it properly in a proper dustbin, not in the normal dustbins. Okay, so let's start our worksheet. SRD 104 CT worksheet. We are going to circle the things that can be recycled. This mug, we cannot recycle this mug. Okay, mugs cannot be recycled. Plastic bottles can be recycled. So please circle plastic bottles. Did you all take out this worksheet? SRD 104 and wrote. Give me a second. I think it's not sharing. Plastic bottles can be recycled. Plastic bags. Can plastic bags be recycled?
No.
So we should not circle. We should put a cross on it. Newspapers. Yes. Even yesterday we saw newspapers can be recycled. So please circle newspaper. Please circle newspaper. Let me share it. Then, so we are going to circle newspaper. Plastic bags cannot be recycled, so we should not. And yesterday in story we saw, right, there was a dustbin for metal cans, water bottles, all those. So this can be recycled. Batteries cannot be recycled. Glasses, yes, can be recycled. So glass, plastic bottle, soda can, you should put in separate dustbin. Newspaper, papers, all you're going to put in separate dustbin. Food items, you're going to put in separate dustbin. So these are things which can be recycled. What do you mean by recycle? These things will go to a factory from the dustbin. They will make new things out of it. They'll take this old newspaper and make a different paper out of it. They'll take this old plastic bottle, crash it, make it into pieces, and then make a new toy out of it, plastic bottle. That is recycling. Done, everyone? Finished? Everybody? Yes. Okay, before we wind up, for those who didn't get the chance, shall we play that dice rolling game? Who has not got the chance, stay back. Others, you may leave. Thank you so much. Those who want to play the dice rolling game, who have not got the chance the other day, stay. Others, if you want, you can leave. Okay? Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye, Tarnika.
Bye.
Bye, Kavyayani.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye. Okay, Neha. Neha, you got the chance the other day?
You got chance. Bye, Sully.
Bye.
Bye, Neha. Bye, Neha.
Bye, Purumanta.
Bye, Dhruv. Bye, Dhruv. Yes. Okay, I have rolled the dice here. So, let me get a bigger number. Okay, who is going to read? Yes, Prajesh. Count how many dice you've got. I mean, the numbers you've got the dice. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12. That is 12. Count one more time. 11. So, what is the number name for 11?
Number name for
Number name for 11.
11. ELE.
Hmm.
ELE.
B.
VE.
N. Okay. Good, Prajesh. Hashini.
Thank you.
Thank you, Prajesh. Bye-bye.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Hashini.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, what's the number name for 8?
EIGHT.
EIGHT. Okay, good, Hashni. Thank you. Naitik, ready?
Bye, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Naitik. Oops, sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
One more time, 8. Wait. Now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Okay. What is the number name for 13?
TW.
13.
13. 13.
TH.
TX.
Ir.
IR.
Teen. Teen spelling bara.
T.
T.
E.
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 N.
N.
13. Please practice number names, Naitik. Okay. Rohita. Thank you, Naitik. Bye-bye.
Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. 9.
What's the number name for 9?
N-I-N-E. 9.
Rohita, very good, Rohita. Thank you. Bye bye. Nitila. Bye, Nitila.
कौन कौन
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What is number name for 6?
Let's say yes. 6.
Okay. Good, Nitila. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay. Dikshan.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Dikshan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11. Count
12.
again. 12. So what is number name for 12?
T-W-E-L.
Verb.
V-E.
E-E. Okay. Good, Dikshan. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye. Vihan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What is number name for 10? Spelling for 10. Number name.
T. 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 N. E. T. T. E. T. E. N. 10.
T-E-N. 10. T-N-E or T-L-E-N?
10 spelling ఏంటి
T. E. N.
మ్యామ్ కి
Very good, Vihan. Fantastic.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Yes, Zedi.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, count, Zedi. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Already 9 we got. One more time. Sorry. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30.
Okay. Never mind. Tell me spelling for 13. 13. Mm.
T.
Mm.
H.
Very good.
I.
Mm.
I.
Mm. R.
R.
Mm. Teen.
T. Y.
Teen. E.
T. E. Y.
E-N. Your mom is helping you. Please practice number names, Zedi. Okay? Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Aiden.
Yes.
Can you count, Aiden?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.